So friends, if we look at the definition of the match function in Excel is used to search for a specific value in a range of cells and return the relative position of the value within the range. So suppose we are selecting some range and we want to figure out a value. We want to give a value and we want to figure out which position it is in. So match function will return that. What is meant by it? Like if I say I have got some product names, I'll just give you the product names here. Product, the company is doing some products one, and we'll just drag it down to get some sequence of products, right? Now here we have just given 1 2 3 numbers, so it's easy to see that the product 10 is on the 10th number, but the products are not named like this. For a medicine company it can be Conbiflam, Zerodol and other products here. And if you want to figure out what is the position of that product in this particular range of cells, if we use the match function, it will give us the right position of that particular product. Now, the syntax of the match function is explained here. Syntax of the match function, if I type the match function, and you'll be able to see the syntax match match and tab, and if we open the function box, which I recommend that whenever you are learning a new function, you should not type your formula directly. You should open the argument box. Here, if you see, the first one is the lookup value. So it is just asking that what are you looking up for. Then it is asking the lookup array or the range of the cells we have to give. And match type, it is asking there are three match types allowed here: 0, 1 and -1. So 0 is the exact match which is mostly used. Now here, suppose I give this cell value Q2, that anything I put in Q2, you have to give me the position. In the lookup array, if I select this range, lookup array, I have selected the range. And match type, initially I'll give 0 because it is for exact match. And if I say OK, it will give me NA as a value. Okay, it says a typo because we have put two brackets in the closing. If I say it is giving me NA, so why did I get NA? Because nothing is there. It is not able to find blank in this range. So if I type here product 11 and I say enter, it will say that it is at the 11th number. Whatever product I say, it will be able to generate that position of that particular entry or the data in a range of cells. This is what it does. So at times we may think that what is the use of this, but as we move ahead, you'll be able to appreciate that this function makes your VLOOKUP, your index and other lookup functions very strong and dynamic once we are able to use the match function within those search functions. So if we will take some examples to understand the various uses of the match function and the match types 0, 1 and -1, where all we can use these three functions. Now friends, here I have taken a small data for a medical store and I have just taken 5 products here to illustrate our example. And here there are the serial numbers given, the product code given and the product given, name of the product, then the unit price, quantity ordered and the amount, right? Some file is there. Now if you want to check for some products and their details, and if I want to find out the position of those products here, I'll use the match function. So how we'll use the match function? We'll type match as we have seen, and we'll use the fx box, the argument function argument box. Lookup value is the product code which we are searching for. Product lookup array will be this column, sorry, this column, and we'll freeze this column. Match type will continue to be 0, and as we say enter, we'll see that we are getting the answer as 3. 110789 is in the third position. And if I drag this formula down, I'm getting for 110348 as 4, but for 110123 it's returning NA, and if I carefully look, this data is not available. So the numbers which are not available in the table, it will return NA error. And as we know that to avoid the NA error and to get some answer for this cell, we can use the if error formula or if NA formula. If you use if error formula, you press tab before this match function, and we'll just go at the end of the formula, put a comma, and in double quotes I am typing here data not found, or I can say product code not, I can say product code not found, right? And we'll put double quotes, enter, and return. So here you will see that when I'm running this formula, it says that product code is not found here in this list.